Please open a file attached to the lecture, which is called Plywood M&A Benefits. Here you will find in the master list of all the sheets. So we have one main, which is overview of potential benefits from acquiring the Lithuanian factory. And as you can see here, we wanted to estimate it by the sources we have mentioned in the previous lecture, but also by the place where they will occur. So some of the savings will occur in the Lithuanian factory and some will occur in the Polish one. So we have estimated them here. So let's see what kind of estimation we have done and how we have done. So let's start with the first one, reducing headquarter costs. So this is very simple. So we just identify the number of people we can reduce. So it's mainly board of directors, some administration. And then we have also the average annual cost per person. It's 30K. And this will appear in Lithuanian factory. So we have a 2 million out of this. Then we have a savings on capex. So here we just have a percentage we know that we can gain by better negotiating with supplier. And we have annual capex, which is 20 million in Polish factory and 30 million in the Lithuanian factory. This means that in total we will have 3.5 million of savings. 2 million will be in Lithuania and 1.4 will be in Poland. Then we have a less competition on price, and this is calculated as a multiplication number of plywood sold in each and every factory. Then we also have the average unit price and assumed certain percentage that will be due to the fact that we will not have to compete with each other. So it means that we have another 1.4 million in Poland and then 2.2 in Lithuania. Lower purchasing price of wood. Then we have here the number of the wood that we have to buy. So it's 152,000 in Poland and 210 in Lithuania. We have wood unit price and we have assumed savings of 10% for each and every factory. This means that we would be saving 1 million in Polish factory and 1.7 million in Lithuanian. Exchange of best practices. We have estimated the wood usage reduction, and this will happen in only Lithuanian factory as they are operating using worse practices. And we have the wood unit price here. The reduction in usage is calculated simply as a multiplication of the plywood sold and the change in usage of the wood. And last but not least, we've got the cross-selling among customer base. So we assume that we can roughly 1% in Polish factory and 5% in Lithuanian factory increase our revenues due to the fact that we were able to cross-sell. This gives us 3.8 million in Lithuanian factory and then roughly 500,000 in the Polish one. In total, this gives us the savings. And as you can see, we have them here in column L, and they amount to 16 million. 12 million will be in Lithuanian factory and 4 million will be in Polish factory. So in row 34, you've got the summary. We will pay for this factory 50 million. So it means that the first year, just out of the synergies, the benefits, will get 16 million of savings. So 34% will be covered by this. In the next lecture, I will show you how to present it in a PowerPoint, the solution.